Greetings all and welcome back to Ricky's Tech Realm. I am Ricky and we are back today with another unboxing video. Today we're going to be taking a look at unboxing the Alcatel One S. Alright, so this device right here I've actually bought for a family member. And we'll find out what this thing is like. I might do an update video, even if I can speak English, on how the person in question feels about it. But yeah, I bought it for them, and yeah, we're going to take a look at how this thing looks. As you see, it looks quite big. I've got the prediction that maybe about maybe like that. Maybe a little bit of a border right here, maybe about that and that by that, and breadth-wise by that. It's probably going to be the size of the phone, so I can probably estimate this is probably going to be quite a big phone. But we'll find out once we get to unboxing the thing. Let's take a look at the box. It is secure, as you can see by this little piece of tape right here. Right, so what does it say on the icons? 6.52 inch HD plus screen, 20:9 resolution. I wish it was 16:9. I hate these ultra wide phones. It's really dumb, especially when you're trying to watch YouTube videos. Most videos are still 16:9 resolution, and you've got these black borders going on. It's just like people are whinging about, you know, the bevel, or I think it's called the bezel around the proximity of the phones. But at the same time, they're now getting phones that are ultra wide, and you're getting black boxes when you're watching videos and stuff, which is annoying to say the least, even. But hey, it's just one of those things. So it's got 30 megapixel camera, front cam HDR, 4000 mAh battery, which is basically just quite a heavy duty battery, and it runs Android 11, so it's quite it's quite current as the time might be, and I'm pretty sure it might be upgradable to Android 12. Stressing if that's the new one on the box. If that was Android 10, it would probably be up to Android 12 would probably be its limit. But that being said, I'm going to stop rambling now, and we are going to let's take a look at this before we continue. Alcatel is a trademark of Nokia, under license by TCL Corporation Communication Ltd. Alcatel Federal utilisé Zoo license par TLZ Limited Communication. I am not continuing to read that because that is now in different languages. Come on. Ugh. And it is now levoid. It is now levoid, as it says on the box right here. My table is now void. Right, let's take a look at this. And it's a flip based box lid. Let's take a look. Holy shit, this thing looks big. Excuse the language. And I'm actually incorrect, actually, when it comes to my estimation about how big the phone was going to be. It's certainly the width and breadth of the box, besides this little gap right here. So I am wrong. It is actually bigger than I estimated, which is even better. Holy sugar, this thing is huge. It's literally the same size as the phone I'm using to record this video right now, which is the Nokia, is it Nokia 5.3? I think it is. I can't remember. I am using a phone to record this video. It is a Nokia something. But yeah, let's take a look at the handset right here. Holy god, this thing is massive. I'm telling you right now, they're going to love this thing, because it's freaking huge. Bluetooth decorations ID. Probably shouldn't have been able to see that. I'm pretty sure these are important numbers. I'll probably blank these out in editing. But let's peel away the screen. I might take it back on just for the throws of it. You can see my messy here. Oh my god, that is brilliant. Let's take it back on for now. Oh, look at that. That's satisfying to watch, actually, all the air bubbles that are getting ceased away. Let's take a look at what's in the box. Let's see if we've got any cheap earphones or something. I love these boxes. Not as good as unboxing Nokia phones, because they've got the bigger boxes. But yeah, And because this thing is one of those modern phones where you can't remove the freaking backs, you've got this little, try not to break it, you've got this strange little key thing. It's literally a bit of wire that's been shaped. I could probably make one of these that have a paper clip, and I think I actually have as well. I've got better versions of these, but these are basically just what you call SIM door keys. The little slots where you put the SIM in is referenced as a SIM door, not a SIM drawer for some reason, which is weird, but it's called a SIM door key. And that, how it basically works is you just stick it in like so, and boom, and you can take out the drawer slash door, and it says peekaboo, and there you go. So that is the little door key. So it's got one of those provided, but I've got plenty of those, so yeah, it's one of those things. And that's the box end. Sad to say there are no cheap headphones. I am sad about that. But we do have a charger, and I do believe it's actually for the purposes of recycling or just making packaging smaller and all sorts. But you no longer get like a separate cable for the charger port and then a USB cable. It's part into one, so you got the separate plug and the USB cable in question. And I believe it actually may be a USB-C device. We'll find out in just a second. Oh no, it's just a micro USB phone, which is actually quite handy because I've not got quite a lot of charging ports for USB-C anyways. But hey, that's handy. Still relevant, the technology, to be fair. And yeah, we've got the Alcatel plug. We should just peel that all away. And after this, we'll take a quick look at the software. We'll get a little bit familiar with how it looks. It's probably just going to be a basic Android experience, which is good. This is not so satisfying because, come on, yep, I'll go to you. Right. Oh ho ho, this is shiny. I love this. Shiny. That's going to catch dust quite quickly. And then we're going to see if this, I might just have to cut this video short if I can't get to that, but I'm going to peel away the plastic backing again, and we're going to, wow, this thing is heavy. Holy jeez, this thing is heavy. Wow. Got a bit of weight going on with it. So this is, I'd probably say the weight is mostly to do with the battery, and if you can feel that the phone is quite heavy, it's probably going to have quite a decent battery life in it. 4,000 mega amps, so oh, it's got charge in it, nice. And it's powered by Android. You even got the little Android little guy right there, which is quite cute. This thing is tall. It's literally the size of my actual phone. Yeah, it's literally the size of my phone, and you can see my face again, which is just fun. I love this. I love this. It's not even my phone. I'm pretty sure the person in question who's going to get this is probably going to love it as well. It's quite thick. My Nokia is quite thin compared to it. Yeah, it's a little bit thicker. Let's just start the setup. I might just cut this away. Set up offline. Continue. Go for that for now. Is that the actual time? No, it's not. It's very late at night. Just skip that for now. Skip this for now. And skip using a pin for now. Skip anyway. So let's take a look at how this looks. Ooh, display enhancement. Ooh, oh. Let's go for this. Home screen style. Home and drawer style, home screen only. I believe it's kind of similar in a way conceptually to the iPhone, especially with Samsung, because Samsung used to have this feature back then. I'm not sure, I've not owned a Samsung in donkey's years, but during setup of a Samsung device, you had the option to have both views. You had the home screen and a separate apps drawer, and you had the entire apps list on one screen, and as in this case, similar to the iPhone. So I presume this is probably the same style. So that'll be quite handy actually. That's quite a handy idea. So take a look at how it looks single style. I can't even fit this phone in the shot, it's so tall. Join us. I will skip this for now. Oh wow. I love this already. It's not even I wish it was my phone. Oh my god, I love this. A very nice display. I can tell you this right now, it's a very beautiful display of this thing. And this is quite a low end model. Got this for £80, which is probably equivalent to maybe like $90 to $100. I'm not too certain American US dollars. Quite a cheap device, and it's quite a nice looking phone. We'll see how it lasts us over the years, but yeah, it's quite a fancy little phone. I'm not going to worry about the apps and stuff. We're just going to take a quick look at the UI. And holy gosh, does this just scream. I could probably like clear these away. Remove this. Oh, hello. Right, I can't clear that, but I can hopefully. I could clear that away, make that full screen, and you will have a proper iPhone going on. Who needs iOS when you've got Android, eh? I've probably angered a few people in the comments right now after saying that, but hey, but let's just take a look at the stuff it's got. So it's got a built-in Office suite. Come on. Office suite. All-in-one mobile Office. And it's compatible, I believe this product is actually compatible with PowerPoint, Microsoft Office even, including PowerPoint, Office and Word and Excel even. I got there in the end. Home, what is home? Google Home. Oh, that's the home assistant. It's got a music player. Very simple as it looks. I've not got a song to play on it though. I miss the days when phones and even just gadgets in general, even just software in general, with the operating systems and all sorts, came with sample music and such. Take a look at the HTC video that I did of the HTC. Is it Touch? HTC Touch 7? No, I can't remember. I can't remember what it's called. There's a video on the channel called the HTC something or other. Take a look at that because there's some nice features on that. It runs the Windows mobile platform, not Windows Phone. But it's even got a video player as well. So let's see, has it got YouTube? Yes, it's got YouTube. Holy Jesus, I love this thing. Oh my god, I'm jealous that I've not got this. What does this do? Come on. Hello. Yep. Gamebox. Is this Alcatel's very own home game platform? Head games, enter Gamebox. So it's like a game store of some kind. So built in, you've got Asphalt Nitro and Real Football, kind of similar to other Alcatel phones. They've got their own accommodating built-in games and such, which is handy out of the box. Tools: weather, sound recorder, compass, support center, switch phone, and kids mode. Now, what does kids mode do? Multiple accounts. Let's enter. Enter, please. Set up a passcode. No, thank you. Oh, it locked me out. It shut me out. I'm gonna go for that. What was your childhood nickname? There we go. Username, I'm just going to call it Ricky. I love the keyboard in this thing. I'm telling you that right now, I love the keyboard in this thing. Accessibility. What is this doing? Right. Kids mode. Allow. Got it. You're using kids mode. Is there anything else you can do in kids mode? I guess not. Meh. Boom, so that's kids mode. Quite a fancy little thing. It's kind of similar, it reminds me of a way of a kids corner from Windows Phone. You can actually like designate a set of your installed applications for your children. So yeah, that's quite a fancy little thing. I don't know what it's going to look like with the traditional Android experience with the drawing stuff going on, but compared to other Android devices, I can already tell that the software is going to be quite nice to handle. It doesn't look as if it's got an out-of-box Android experience like what you see on Android 1, for instance. It's got its own experience, but it seems to be very, very easy to use. It's very simple out of the box. And of course, people are familiar with iPhone anyways, in some cases, so we'll be able to get familiar with this experience mode. And I'm pretty sure you could probably change this in settings, so I'll see if I can do that now. I wonder if you can go to home settings. Apps icon, home app, launcher, home screen style. Yes, I can change it, so there you go. Oh, there you go. So there you go. And it's very simple experience to it. It's very fluid. It's very simple, simple ergonomics. And yeah, it's just a bog standard Android experience with a little bit of additional stuff going on under the hood because it's Alcatel. They want to be their own person. And if you're not into Samsung, this might be the next best option for you. But hey, that's just my own personal opinion. But yeah, this video's already been dragged on long enough, and I am just going to call that a video right there. Alright, so that, ladies and gentlemen, was the Alcatel S1. I have to say, it's actually quite a nice, pretty little phone, if I do say so myself. It's very decently sized. It's sort of the size of my own phone. I actually kind of wish I had this instead of what I'm currently using. What about the cameras like though? I might make a video on test it behind the scenes, but hey, that's the phone. Anyway, thanks for watching Ricky's Tech Realm. And that being said, I hope you have a very good rest of your day, and thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.